Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Solo Pictures TV and my name is Solomon Okon. Okay guys, in today's video I want to be teaching you guys how you can earn up to 10k every single day with WhatsApp, like 10,000 naira every single day with your WhatsApp business account. And I'll be sharing with you guys 3 ways on how to earn 10k every single day with your WhatsApp business account with your smartphone here in Nigeria. So if you want to know more, you need to watch this video to the end. And welcome to my channel. This is Solo Pictures TV and my name is Solomon Okon, and here on my channel I do upload videos on how to earn money online in Nigeria. So please, if you find any of my video helpful, please make sure you do like the video, share the video. Most importantly, please make sure you do support us by subscribing to this channel, and also you can still follow my page on Facebook at solopicturestv.com and on Instagram at solopicturestv246. Now, I really do appreciate you if you've done that. Thank you very much. Now, let's go straight to the video. Do you know that you can earn a whole lot of money with WhatsApp? Yes, that's true. You can earn a whole lot of money with WhatsApp. WhatsApp is one of the largest social media platforms. A whole lot of people every single day are earning a whole lot of money with WhatsApp, but a whole lot of people don't still know about it. That is the reason why today I want to open some people's eyes to the fact that they can earn a whole lot of money on WhatsApp. And for this purpose, I'm going to be using my WhatsApp also for some illustrations. The first thing you need to understand that you cannot make money on WhatsApp without getting traffic to WhatsApp. Now, what I mean by getting traffic to WhatsApp, if you don't have much people on WhatsApp, you can't make money, either by having a group or by having people view your status. That's the first thing. So I'm going to be teaching you how you can get traffic to WhatsApp before you start thinking of earning any money. There are a whole lot of ways you can do that, and I'm going to be listing some for you. Now, the first way you can do that through your Facebook. Let me say through your Facebook groups, by inviting people. Maybe you write something interesting, invite people to your WhatsApp. Like, you can paste your number there on Facebook, or you can do that through Facebook ads. You can pay Facebook to help you advertise your contacts for you, or you can do that through Google ads. You can pay Google, or you can do that through any of the advertising companies. You can just pay them a little money and they help you advertise your WhatsApp TV for you. Now, they can share your contact to as many people as possible. And imagine that 10,000 people are viewing your WhatsApp status every single day. Because if you want to make money with the groups, yes, you can earn money. You can earn money by owning groups also, but you need to understand that the groups are limited. Like, some of the groups can contain more than 500 people, but with how many people are saving your contacts, they are totally unlimited. You can't save everybody's contact, but the truth about it is that a lot of people can save your own particular contacts. So it's as simple as that. So imagine up to 10,000 people or 5,000 people saving your phone contacts in their phone. It's really much. That is just it. So now, from there, when you have a whole lot of people viewing your status every single day, a whole lot of people viewing your own personal status on a daily basis, from there, the first way you can earn money on WhatsApp is through affiliate marketing. From there, you can register with any of the companies, use your affiliate link, and start any money with affiliate marketing through your WhatsApp status. It's very simple. The second way is through advertising. Now, you can start advertising. They can pay you for advertising on WhatsApp business to your WhatsApp status. Like, you can advertise any product, maybe somebody's any of the products. They can just pay you for you to advertise somebody's product. You can charge people to advertise their product and earn your money. And the last way in which you can earn money is through selling. You can start selling your own product directly on WhatsApp. You can just create your catalog, put in the price. When people open your WhatsApp, and they can just, when people check your WhatsApp profile, they can see the price of the product, and that's the third way you can start earning money on WhatsApp. With this method, I believe you can earn even more than 10k every single day with WhatsApp. That is just it. The first way is through affiliate marketing. The second way is through advertising. The third way is through direct selling, or like selling your own personal product through your WhatsApp status. That's just all for now, guys. Thank you very much for watching to this moment. I really do appreciate you. If you learned something, like the video, share the video. Please make sure you do subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.